Hi everyone, welcome to my video. In today's video, I'm going to be making a Halloween wreath. I got this witch and going into a cauldron at the Dollar Tree, and it's just plain wood. But it didn't have this on there. This was separate. They had like these little plaques, and I put that on because I thought that it was so funny, like the witch is in and then she's in the cauldron. But I actually didn't paint this. I used those, if you remember in one of my previous videos, I bought these like glitter markers and I love them. I use them for all sorts of stuff, and I decided to use it for this so you guys could actually see, you know, how the glitter markers do. Here, they work really well and they cover a lot. But I also got like this wire wreath, like square thing from the Dollar Tree too. I don't have necessarily like a point for point plan how to do this. I'm just kind of more going with it. I got all of these ribbon last year, like on the Halloween, you know, after Halloween sale. I'm not sure which ones I'm going to use. I got these at Dollar General though. But that was last year, so they probably have some similar ones. But I think I'm going to start with this one. I'm just going to kind of go with it and see what I like. And I might add some other things to it. Like I have eyeballs and all sorts of stuff, so I might go ahead and add that to it too. Go ahead and make this the bottom. You know what? Actually, I think I'm going to use this one last. This is what I'm saying. I'm just kind of going with it. Because I think I'm going to use these two and then put that over there. Since that's like more sheer, I thought it was going to be solid, but it's not. So since that one's more sheer, I'm going to use these instead. And I think they might be a little bit, but I don't think it's as much as that. So, yeah. This is more what I thought the other one was. So let's just go ahead and go with that. What I said, I was going to just kind of be going with it. See what I like the best. And I'm just going to take it and wrap it around. You know, there's like tons of ways to do like these wire wreaths. But I'm just going to do it this way. It's going to be a little bit harder too, that it is square. I wasn't even thinking about that. I am trying to like have it a little bit gappy so it's not completely tight to it, because I kind of want that little bit of that volume. And there's going to be so many things wrapped around this that it's not going to really matter if there's like little spaces in between. I'm just kind of doing it really loose, and I think I'm going to have to do the other one too, because I'm going to, like, yeah, it's going to take this one and that other one that I have. Well, it's almost even together there. So I'm just going to glue this down. It might not look that great yet, but like I said, I kind of have a plan for that. So, because it's just going to be a bunch of ribbon just wrapped around and then stuff glued onto it. So I said, you know, I kind of have a love-hate relationship with glitter. Because I love glitter, like the way it looks and stuff, but it makes such a mess. I'm just going to wrap this one like I did the other one. So I'll probably use these two ribbon and then the spider web ribbon. I might save these little ones because I might end up making like bows or something out of them, like hair bows for my daughter. I might start with orange. This might be a lot easier if you don't use a square one. I should have saved the square one for something else, because I don't like, you know, another kind, like maybe like rag ribbon type of thing. I think that would be a lot better, but I can't do rag ribbon for this because I don't think this would hold on there very well. I mean, I guess I could probably do it, but no, I might have to do, I don't know if this is going to be enough to go around the whole thing. I might have to do half and half with that. I might go ahead and do that. Because, I mean, it would give, just kind of go with like the half and half thing. And I could have not wrapped it. I mean, this is just down to preference of what you like. I could have, like, wrapped it, leaving gaps with this one, and then put this one kind of in between and wrapped it. So if you like that better, like that way better, you can do it that way. I kind of like the two-tone look, especially like with like a Halloween theme like this. But I mean, if you're doing like another holiday or something like that, I could understand why you wouldn't want to have it, you know, two contrasting things. Because to me, they're enough like in the same like collar and stuff. So, well, I mean, like this one's orange and this one's going to be purple, but it's just down to preference, really. Because I could understand, like, somebody might not like it as well. There's so many ways that you could do this, especially like with wrapping ribbon and stuff. Like when you do ribbon wreaths, there is so many different ways you can do that. I kind of like that it's different colors on the different patterns, and then the spider web is going to go over all of it anyway. So that can kind of tie it together in my mind. I should have been wrapping it this way since the start. I also have enough left of this orange, and we'll probably have enough left of this purple to do other stuff. Like I said, I was thinking about like making hair bows for my daughter and maybe some other stuff, I don't know. And I'm going to go and back and glue down like some of the corners that are coming up, exposing the wire and things like that. That's kind of like the last step of this. So yeah, that's almost perfect. Well, a lot of these are wire, so I don't even think I'll have to glue them. Just pinch them back. I'll try to show it up close. I love the black and the purple and orange together. Those are my favorite Halloween colors together. And then I'm just going to glue this down. There are so many cool ways you could do a wreath like this. Like I said, there's like all sorts of different ways to do, especially like ribbon wreaths. This is kind of just how I wanted to do mine. Here's how it is now, but I think I might add some stuff around it. So I have like these spiders. Oops. I have this one too. And I have like eyeballs, and there's a pumpkin and a skull. Then I have these bugs, but I don't think I'm gonna use them. I don't think anything to use them for, really. I don't know if I want to glue these on here or not. I don't think. I was thinking about it, but I don't know if I'd like that or not. Because my idea was to kind of make it look like stuff that was in the cauldron. But I don't know. Kind of having second thoughts on that. I might just stick with the spiders. And maybe I'll just make I might get little foam balls and paint them green and put them around like bubbles. I might end up doing that. If I do end up doing that, I'll just post a picture of it. But I'm not sure if I'm going to do that yet or not. Or I could make like little, like how I said I was going to make like little ribbons and stuff. I guess I could make little ribbons to put around it, but I don't. If I did anything, it would probably be the green foam balls to make it kind of look like, you know, the bubbles. I'm just kind of placing these spiders just around. No, I think I'm just going to stick with these three. And then I'm going to maybe do the bubbles, maybe not, I don't know. But I hope you got some ideas from this, and I hope that you enjoyed it. There's so many different ways you can do this. This is just the way I chose to do it. And if I do anything different, I'll go ahead and post like a picture of what I did different. But I'm not sure if I'm going to or not. Like I said, I just was kind of just going with this. I didn't really have a really thought out plan. I just kind of wanted to see, you know, what I was going to do. So I think I made the right choice by doing the spider web ribbon last, because I really like it up against the spiders. But I hope you did enjoy this video and got some ideas out of it. And I really appreciate you watching. I will see you next time. Bye.